Within this video, we will show you how to copy using a pattern. It's very common that you have certain fields that you want to copy to a different field. For example, if you want to copy your address to a shipping address or the name to a full name. For this, we can use a copy using a pattern. For example, we go from the key name and we want to copy it to the key full name. Once we run that, we can see that John is added to the full name key as well. What we can also do is use a pattern. So, for example, we use address.star, and we replace it to shipping address dot $1. So with this, everything that becomes the star, which is within this object, becomes the $1, which then means that shipping address is filled with the objects that were in address before. And that's how you copy using a pattern.